Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to draw Denji in a simple and easy way. And now let's begin. First, draw a circle, 2 horizontal lines in the middle, and a vertical line in the center. Next, the guidelines for the eyes. Just follow or copy me in making sketch. Sketching the eyes. Eyebrows. The nose. The mouth. Sorry if it's fast, just pause it when you're about to copy. Next is the bangs. Face outline. The ears. The hair outline. Lastly, the neck and body parts. Now, we will use a pen to highlight it, accept guidelines. Then, let's erase the pencil marks. And finally, we will put details and shadings to our drawing. That's it. We're done. I hope you learned something from me. If you enjoyed watching this video, like, share, and subscribe to be updated for next videos. Thank you.